Master the phrasal verb, put away, in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs, those tricky but essential parts of English. We'll focus on one very common phrasal verb, put away. Let's uncover its meanings, usage, and see it in action with some examples. Before we delve into put away, let's take a moment to understand what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is an idiomatic phrase consisting of a verb and another element, usually a preposition or an adverb, or a combination of both. It's crucial to remember that a phrasal verb often has a meaning different from the individual words that make it up. Now, let's dig into our main topic. Put away. This is a phrasal verb that can have several meanings depending on the context. The most common meanings are 1. To clean up or tidy. This often refers to returning something to its proper place after use. For example, after the party, we had to put away all the dishes and decorations. 2. To consume food or drink. This informal usage refers to eating or drinking something, especially in large amounts. For example, John can put away a whole pizza by himself. 3. To save or store for the future. This refers to saving money or other resources for future use. For example, I put away a portion of my paycheck each month for retirement. 4. To imprison. This is a more formal usage, referring to sending someone to prison. For example, the judge decided to put the criminal away for 10 years. Great! Now, let's practice what we've learned. Here are some more examples of sentences using put away. I encourage you to make your own sentences too. 1. Can you please put away your toys when you're done playing with them? 2. My grandmother could put away jars of homemade jam for the winter. 3. Despite his crimes, his lawyer managed to prevent him from being put away. The more you use put away in different contexts, the more comfortable you'll become with it. That wraps up our lesson on the phrasal verb, put away. Understanding and using phrasal verbs can seem challenging, but with practice, they will become an integral part of your English language repertoire. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination, so keep practicing and don't get discouraged. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.